Kanino galing yan?
Tita Karen and Tita Les.
Thank you. Ano? Mag-say thank you. Lakasan mo yung bunganga mo.
Thank you, Tita Les and Tita Karen. Food! Oh my God!
Hurry. Repeat.
Wow.
See what is that?
Ano na magpapalagay yan? Bukas ng gipsi.
Oh!
Oh, show it.
Go! Go!
Wait lang.
Like that.
Look at this. Take it, Tita Karen. Take it, Tita Karen and Tita
Next.
Les.
Next.
Tapos sa part ah.
This one.
Kala nyo. Go.
From
From Kuya John.
wait. From Tito JR. Tito JR. Tita Lois. Kuya JB and Ate Casey. Go. Show it sa camera.
Thank you,
Tito JR.
Tita JR,
Tita Lois.
Tita Lois,
And Kuya JB and Ate Casey.
and
Kuya
Kuya
JB.
JB and Ate Casey.
Okay, open.
Ito open yung prize. Ano?
Good. Repeat.
Morning.
Wow.
Go, go.
Roll.
Gift kanina galing din yun.
Sa mga friends mo.
Wow. It's
It's a boy!
it's a
Look
domino.
at this.
This one also.
It's a dummy.
Sama pa to.
Wow!
Extra.
So what the hell?
No.
Extra chips. Oh, what's that?
Dahil mong gifts ah.
Let's see.
It's from Tito JR also. Yeah.
Dahil mong gifts
Wait.
ninulit ko ah. Okay boy.
Maganda to
I
galing sa
think
hotel
this is
mamaya.
for,
Yeah, may
for
isa
your
pa pa.
mama. It's
Ay, kay Mama Daryl yan. Kapit ko.
Mamaya ka na kaya mag-open baby.
Si Ate Da, gusto na siyang pinag-open.
So-
next.
Wala na. Ay, hindi na natin
Tita
makakagriya. Sobrang dami na daw.
Tita Alpha and Tita
Say thank
Tito
you.
J.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Alpha and Tita Jane.
Open, sirain. Mas maganda sinisira.
Para dadami. Ulit.
This is only paper bag.
Wow!
Bro, oh my God. Oh, so cute.
Suot.
Yan pa naman yung mga gusto niya.
Yun.
Yan ang mga gusto niya.
Ito yun eh.
Oo, di ba?
Show the logo.
Kami.
Ganda.
Oh,
Ganda.
thank you, Tito J. Diba? Next. Tito Patrick and Tita Trisha. Nasa.
Thank you, Tita Patrick and Tita Trisha.
Trisha. Okay lang. Go, go. It's okay. Iba yun, iba.
Yun na, open. Ay, wow. Ayan, dami mo ng tawel.
Oh.
Let's see.
What? Sino yan? Sino yan?
It's Lilo and Stitch.
Wow.
Lilo ba? Hindi Lilo.
Lilo.
Hindi, Lilo.
Natawa lang Disney ng bata.
Thank you.
Tuwalya yan. Maganda yung labahan
Basta
para
towel.
makapag-absorb.
Sa towel.
And also the cup. Next.
Uy, pating ko yun.
This is from Kuya Johnny.
No?
Tito Glenn. Glenn.
Thank you, Tito Glenn, and
Siya
And
lang.
family.
Siya lang.
thank you, Tito Glenn.
Wow!
What's that?
Yoyo.
Yoyo.
Wow.
Alam mo mag-play niyan? Oo.
Ah,
Tapos tumabay.
thank
Yoyo.
you.
Yoyo. Marami ka?
Ako, next year, dalawa na kayo may matatanggap
Next.
ako na ano.
From Tito Charles and Tita...
Yun,
Basta
oh,
Tito
sino?
Charles.
Lasing ka na naman ha. O,
Thank
sino?
you, Tita.
Eh,
Tita Chai.
And
Tita Chai. Okay. At open.
Minecraft again.
punta.
Sa Minecraft!
Ay, wow, my God.
Wow.
Pantulog. Yan,
Na?
ang- yan ang
Ano?
mga gusto ko, pantulog.
Oh, one shirt. And one.
Pants.
Okay. Put it here. Last two, last two.
That's good. Who is this Kuya?
Walang
Kuya
name.
Johnny?
Meron.
Ayan.
Oh, Tita Gladys.
Thank you, Tita Gladys.
Ate Daphne.
And Ate Daphne.
Go.
Where's the open?
Yan, yan.
Kaya mo ha?
Yes.
O, warakin mo na yung balot.
Dito.
Next.
Go.
Ah.
Oh. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, careful.
Yun. Ay, gan.
Hi.
Sabig. It's a lilac.
Mhm.
It's lilac paper.
Okay na.
What?
Show it to the camera.
Look at this.
Wow.
Ganda, pulis ka na palawak.
You want to be a policeman.
Yes. I want to be a This is look like fire truck.
Big police car.
Yeah, this is good.
Mm. Give me. Say thank you, Tita Gladys.
Thank you, Tita Gladys. Next,
Last.
from Kuya Jalil.
Yes. And Tita Ira. Go.
Open it first.
Wow.
Sheesh!
Plenty of toys.
Kape ka na kaya?
Yup.
Yeah, yeah,
Meron pa nga ako isa.
What is it?
Oh. It's also big. Big.
What is scarf?
I think.
It's not. Oh, there's a same picture.
The See?
This is I got.
Yeah, this
This is
one.
I got.
You have two. It's the same.
Ayaw mo.
Thank you, Tita Ira, Kuya, Jalil.
Oh, I
Now you have two.
Yes.
Same?
Police truck.
Same hindi.
Yes.
Tingin. Ayaw nga.
Ako magkaibang klase.
So, yung isa, ipang giveaway to your followers.
And
Uh,
Bakit
so
same?
subscribe. Thank you. Sabi mo, Merry Christmas.
Gusto nila maging pulis ka, Joaquin.
Stop.
Stop mo na video.
Para ma-upload.
Sabay daw kayo ni Mami Angie